So in this video, we will see how we can create a S3 bucket in AWS Cloud. So I have logged in into my management console. So here in search, we can select S3. We can type S3. So it will show under services S3, scalable storage in the cloud. We will click on this. So once it is open, here some buckets are already there. So we will create the new one. So we will click on like create bucket here. So once we will click on the create bucket, it will ask bucket name, in which AWS region we want to create this bucket, and ownership of object, and bucket access setting, versioning related information, and some tags and the encryption related part. So today in this video, we will create one simple bucket. We can say my sample bucket. Where we want to create this bucket, we want to create this bucket in the AWS region, that is this Bombay AP South 1. We can see here also this region in mentioned here, and whatever the default settings are coming, like for object ownership, ACLs disabled, we will go with this default setting here. For the block public access setting, block all public access means whatever object we are putting in the S3 bucket, we will not able to access publicly that object. As of now, we will put all the settings, whatever the default is coming, and we will block all the public settings. Versioning part we can enable or disable. We will enable it. Versioning in the sense we are putting one object. Later, if you want to put one more similar object, so it will be called like version 2 of that particular object. So that in that sense, versioning help us. So text wise, we don't want to give anything here. Default encryption, whatever the setting is there, disable, we will go with that, and we will simply say create bucket here. So now bucket is getting created. So we can see, we will scroll down here and we can see successfully created bucket, my sample bucket. We got this notification here. So we can click on my sample bucket here. So this is the place where we will able to see each and every objects, whatever we are putting in the S3 bucket. So object means here, if you are putting, for example, one PNG file or one MP4 or one simple.txt file. So that whatever that file name is there, like hello.txt. So that hello is what? Here hello will be considered as object. So in S3 bucket, whatever objects or whatever data we are putting, the data will be considered as one object in S3 bucket. So we can drag and drop anything in this, or we can upload also. Suppose we want to upload something, some files we want to upload, or we want to add some folders, we can do with the help of this upload option here. So suppose I want to add one file, I will simply say add file. So some files are there, for example recording.config, some file is there. I will simply say add that file, and then what we will do, upload this particular file. So with this, we will able to upload this file, and we can see upload succeeded here. Scroll down, we will able to this file. So we are able to see the size of this file and the status. Now what we will do, we will say close here, and we can see here first object is there, name recording.config. So in this bucket, one file is there. Now suppose we want to perform some actions on this file, whatever object or file we have uploaded in the our S3 bucket. Just check this and we can go under actions, like we want to download it, we want to share it, size of this file. These are some number of other options are available. Now if we want to delete this particular file, we can simply click on this delete button, and then it will able to delete it. If you want to copy this URI, whatever the URL of this file is available, we can copy with this help. So that's it in this video.